How to see friend's birthday in Facebook. So if you want to see the friend's birthday in Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Once you're here, now you need to scroll down a bit and you will have an option of events. So tap on events, and here under events, you will have all of the events. You need to go with the friends section and you will have all of the events like their birthdays and everything. But if you don't find the birthdays right here, then what you need to do is just simply scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go with notifications. Under notifications, you need to go with birthdays. And here under your birthdays, you need to turn on the notifications to receive the notifications of your friend's birthday. You need to turn on the push, email, and SMS notifications. Once you've turned on these notifications, then it will, like Facebook will notify you that you have this person's birthday today, and you'll be able to know that you have your friend's birthday. So that's how you can see your friend's birthday in Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.